Hi everybody, I'm Zoe. I'm 24 and I am a traditional Chinese medicine practitioner in New York City.
I'm Phoebe with In the Know. I am so excited today because Zoe is going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial for us on acupressure points. That can actually help you relieve a lot of pain in your physical body, your back, your neck, and even internal discomfort that you might be feeling, like anxiety.
Yes, I'm so excited to show you how to kind of touch your body to make yourself feel better.
Why would you say that traditional Chinese medicine has worked better for you?
Yeah, TCM I think it's magical because it treats us holistically. In Western medicine, if you have a headache, you think a pain relief to stop the pain. But in TCM, we really find the root cause of all of your problems. Maybe these are just manifestations of a single problem. We treat that, and then many of your symptoms will disappear. We're using the same points as acupuncture. Many of the points are the same, but with our finger we can achieve very similar effect. Yeah, let's do it.
I'm ready to get into it. Let's begin with something that I really struggle with work from home and like figuring this chair out. Acute lower back pain.
Yeah, totally. There are a couple points I want to show you. So if we stand up, so the first point is actually our front body to treat our lower back pain. You will find your belly button. Mine is right here. And then you're gonna put around 3 to 4 fingers under it. And this point you can use, 2 hands, just massage this continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. This one is on our conceptual vessel, and even though it's our front body, it actually helps to strengthen your middle jaw, which can help the back. The second point is on our back. You're gonna do 2 fists, just knock it like this, and you can also use your fist to do this kind of motion. Just really press it in. So this not only relieve lower back pain, but also help us to strengthen the kidneys.
I need a whole body check. This is just great. I can't. Next up, we have neck pain or a stiff neck. So help us.
Absolutely. So the first one is right under our head, kind of like where the neck meets the head. So we are going to use our thumb to kind of push it up, if you can see me. You should feel too dense right under it. Yeah, exactly. I think you can be even a little bit more closer to the center.
Like this.
I don't know, however you feel is relieving something. So when you do that, lift your head a little bit more. So it helps your finger to dig in even a little bit deeper. Okay, and the second one is very effective. It's on our hand, actually. So you're gonna find our point finger and our middle finger. So you kind of like this, trace it down, and you'll find it. You feel it, right? Trace it down, and then you feel the dent. And then you're gonna press it, and then just move your head left to right while you're pressing.
Okay,
and this,
if it's just me, but it feels great. What's happening here?
Yeah, this point is called the neck pain point. It's not on any of the significant meridians. We have 12 primary meridian systems. It's not on any of it, but this point, it just works for the neck.
All right.
Press into your neck.
Let's move on to my personal favorite, because I have so much anxiety. But I would love to see what I can do to help that.
Totally. I mean, a lot of us, have anxiety, not just you. This is one of the top complaints I heard. So the first one I want to share is right front body. It's also our conceptual vessel. So whenever you feel like, oh my God, especially have this chest tightness, so you're gonna have your fist. You can put even your two hands over here, so it's a little bit more warm, and do this kind of slow rotating motion. So this is really, really good at relieving any anxiety and tightness around this area. Like, you're so anxious, you start to have this shortness of breath.
A lot of people talk about, the chest tightening, which can be scary and it's just painful. So it's good to know.
Totally. And this is in the center, right in the center of that point.
Thank you so much. I feel so light. I really hope that everybody else that's watching this tries, even if you feel like it might not work for you. I think you'll be surprised.
I think you will become a more zen, calm, a happier person. And I hope you could explore.